Right, I think that's us sorted, so Macaulay. Right, we've landed in Glasgow. Really good trip to Berlin. Pretty tired. We ate loads. We tried some local wines and beers. Saw some really cool stuff. Really good city break. Really enjoyed it. And so did the birthday girl. She's not got her makeup or face on, so she's hiding. Hopefully you've enjoyed these vlogs. Like, share and subscribe. That would be good if you could do that. Gaelic for today is Macaulay. Did I do Macaulay already?
I don't know.
Okay.
Alright.
Gaelic for today is Hamirash. Hamirash. Hamirash, that means I am back. But since Claire and I are both back, we are back. So that would be Hashinerash. Hashinerash. So I am back, Hamirash. We are back, Hashinerash. Thanks for watching. Cheers just now.